welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Marie Claire Kuja and I make personal hygiene videos. In the past few weeks, I've been making videos about armpit care, and this is a continuation, and today we're making homemade deodorant, natural deodorants with ingredients just around the house. And for this recipe, we are going to need coconut oil, bicarbonate. We are going to need baking soda. This is optional if your skin is sensitive to baking soda. And then we are going to need arrowroot powder. This is arrowroot powder or cornstarch. If you have cornstarch, you can use cornstarch, yes. And then shea butter, the original shea butter. This is it. And so for this recipe, you are going to need coconut oil. Mix coconut oil in a bowl. You will be needing shea butter, a teaspoon of shea butter. And I'm not going to melt this one first before using it because I wanted to do it like that. But you can also melt it before you use it, but you have to still put it in the fridge to solidify. So I'm just going to use it directly without melting it. Then you're going to need a teaspoon of arrowroot. This is it, a teaspoon of arrowroot. A teaspoon of baking soda, like I said, is optional. Otherwise, a teaspoon of bicarbonate here. Put it in a bowl, and then you mix well. And then once you mix it and have a good thick paste, I think you can see the paste. Okay, now the magic part is, the interesting part is the essential oils. I'm having lavender and I'm having a pine. It smells heavenly. So you put a few drops. Like here, I'm gonna put 3 drops. You put 3 drops of this one and also 3 drops of the pine. And then you mix it together. You mix everything together to form a smooth paste. And then if you have an empty deodorant bottle at home, you can fill the paste inside. Now it's a very thick paste and it smells very heavenly. And then I'm going to fill it in here. I'll fill it in this small deodorant cup. You can see an empty deodorant thing. You fill it in. If you love to keep it in a fridge to solidify, that's fine. Then, or if you don't have an empty deodorant container, you can put it in any small cup and then you use your finger to scoop it and rub it under your armpit. This is very natural, using natural ingredients. It won't cause any irritations because all the ingredients are ingredients you can find around the house, or some things that we eat or use around the house. So this is how to make your own deodorant at home. You can also use your own essential oils. There are many of them out there. Like today I use lavender and pine to make this one, and they smell golden. So that's it. Thank you so much. Hope it helps.